If you want to connect your Facebook page to Instagram, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can link the accounts quickly and get everything set up the right way. This is a simple method, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few moments. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Facebook and click your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens up your account menu where you'll find the settings options you need. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. This takes you into the main Facebook settings area. Once you're in Settings, look for Account Center and click it. Account Center is where Meta keeps the connection settings for your Facebook and Instagram accounts, so this is the key place to manage the link between them. After that, click Profiles. Here, you'll see the accounts currently connected or available to manage. Now click Add Accounts. When prompted, select Instagram. This tells Facebook that you want to connect an Instagram account to your Meta account setup. Next, log into your Instagram account using your Instagram username and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Instagram profile. After you log in, click Continue to confirm the connection. Facebook will then finish linking your Instagram account through Account Center. Once that's done, your Facebook page and Instagram account can work together more smoothly for sharing content, managing profile connections, and handling cross-platform features. If you don't see the options exactly where I mentioned them, don't worry. Meta sometimes changes the layout a little, but the path is still usually under Settings, Account Center, and Profiles. Just follow the same general steps, and you should be able to get there without any trouble. And that's it. You've now connected your Facebook page to Instagram. It's a quick setup, but it can make managing your social accounts much easier. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.